Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Twitter. So watch this video till the end. First, open your Twitter app, then tap on Profile that is on the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. On Settings page, tap on Your Account. On Your Account page, tap on Change Your Password. Enter your current password and type in new password. And again on Confirm Password. Now tap on Done. So that is how you change password on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.